Yo, what's going on, everybody? Alex Escobar here with another unboxing. Today, we are unboxing the DJI Osmo. It's Osmo Pocket 3. You're probably like, damn, you're late to the party. You're damn right I'm late to the damn party. I wanted to buy this when it first came out, but I kept convincing myself not to get it. I was like, I have an Osmo Pocket 2. I barely used it. Those are a lot of reasons why I didn't use it. And so yesterday, give you some back history before I start this unboxing. Yesterday I ended up flipping that Osmo Pocket that I had for like 300, low key. Somebody bought that shit for 300. Flipped it. Seen this puppy online for its cheapest. I'm not gonna lie, this thing is still going for like, in certain places, $700-800. When this dropped, this was like $519. I got it for $595 with the link down below on Amazon. It was between this one and the American version they got of this camera. So they haven't announced that it's their camera, but with the internals, sorry for the wind noise. You hear that wind noise? It's getting nasty out here in New York. But in America, they have their own version of this because DJI, if you don't know, they're going through some bans right now with America. The reason why I said let me jump out the window and get this now is because this is their last year being able to sell products here in the United States. Like, this is gonna get more expensive, especially if you want it. This by next year, whoever has stock of it left, this is gonna get very, very expensive. So if you was planning on jumping out the window and getting the Osmo Pocket 3, do it now, because I promise you, next year you will not be able to find this the way you're finding them now. And if you do, they're gonna be super expensive. Anyway, they have an American version of this camera. It's called the XTRA MUSE. I'll show you somewhere over here. And it's pretty much the same exact camera. All the accessories fit the same. The lenses, everything fits the same. It's actually even cheaper. You can get an XTRA MUSE right now for like $500, like low key. It's the same thing. Flip out screen, OLED screen, whatever. I was gonna get that one. That was the plan, to get that one. But then I said to myself, at least with this pocket, when I go live streaming outside, I can use this pocket, and it works flawless with my streaming software. With the XTRA MUSE, they don't have that capabilities yet. So I said, look, I'll just put the extra few dollars. What was that, $100 or $95? And I'll just get the original Don Dada. And that's what we did right now. So with that being said, let's move this back. Technically this would be the bundle, because of the accessories I bought on the side, minus the battery handle, which I got a battery handle coming in. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Enough of me talking. I've been talking way too much. I thought I'd just inform you guys with that information, because yeah, it's gonna get real bad for DJI real soon. It's gonna get real bad. I only worry about like other stuff, like the apps and stuff like that not working in the US anymore. But let's see. No, I fucked it up. Let me just cut right through this, because what the fuck? Dude. It's hard to get open. Here we go. I've only held the pocket in my hand maybe once, and it was at a display. It didn't, I mean, like, I didn't really get a good feel on it, only because, you know, you're at the store. You know they're gonna have security stuff all over it. Just taking out what's in the box. Of course, you already know we got some paperwork. Wait, is this in Chinese? Why is this in Chinese? Okay, it's Chinese and English. But, so we got paperwork. We don't need that. We already know what's up. So yeah, at the price I got it for, DJI, of course. I'm gonna miss DJI, man. I love DJI's product. I've been dealing with DJI for a minute. The camera I'm shooting on right now is a DJI camera. So yeah, stickers. Put that to the side. Boom. I know I'm making it drag, but it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. So we have here the bottom part of the pocket. Do you see that? Do you see that? Boom. Jesus Christ. Charger. I got a bunch of these. Not opening that. Lanyard. Maybe use this one day. I don't know. Nothing else in the box. Dead. Nothing. Put this to the side. Getting to the creme de la cremes. I'm not gonna lie, this shit got some weight to it. And here we have it. Jesus, bro, it was hard as hell to get out of there. Here we go. The Osmo Pocket 3. And again, I'm late to the party, y'all. I'm very late to the party, and that's okay. Cause I feel like I got in at the right time. Like I said, this is gonna be dope when I'm doing my live streams at night. Cause now New York is gonna be getting darker earlier. So these action cameras fall apart at night. So now when I'm actually live streaming, I can actually do it from here now. You know what I mean? 1-inch sensor. This is great in low light. Crispy, crispy, crispy. Boom. Turns it on. Oh man. That looks so good. That looks so dope. Alright. Let's turn this off real quick. Put it back in the case. What is this? What is this? No. I'll put you to the side. I'll figure it out later. So, a couple accessories I said I wanted. This was gonna be perfect for actually times like this where I don't want to put it back in this case. I just want to set it to the side, but I don't want to set it, you know, on the side like this. We'll get something like this and just let it stand there. And what's dope about this stand is, yep, you put it like that, capture some dope shots. It's got feet under it. You don't need a big tripod. You know what I mean? Then I feel like every content creator, believe me when I tell you this, I've always said, if you can get dope shots, people will be more engaged with your content, right? So this accessory right here, this newer, is basically a magnetic case, right? This is the magnet part. I don't know how strong it is. It's my first time getting this. How you get this open? It's a latchet. Boom. What you basically do is you wrap this around the buttons like so. Hold on. Wrap that around like that. And now this becomes magnetic. And it's rubber. This is weird. It's rubber. Alright, let's go to my refrigerator. Right? Boom. So now certain shots. Oh, that's a strong magnet. So now certain shots that you want to capture, you can capture it pretty much anywhere. You go to a light pole or whatever it is. Boom. Just put it out. Boom. And if I'm not mistaken, this magnet also moves different ways, so you can put different angles. Pretty fire. Pretty fire if you ask me. So any content creator, whether it be an action camera, a pocket like so, get you a magnetic cage, whatever you want to call it, and I guarantee you it will up your quality crazy, or you know what I mean, your visuals. You're probably like, what's this? I'm gonna show you what's this. So I caught a little bundle. So this stand came, well, what I'm about to show you now came with this stand. So it was like a bundle for like 20 bucks. A lot of people complain about, you know, the lens on the pocket not being wide enough. So we went out and bought ourselves a wide angle lens. Third party lens, of course, but you know what? That's okay. It's so wait, how you flip it? Alright, whatever. We'll just do it like this. Boom. See the lens? Just goes right on. Simple math. You know what I'm saying? Wide angle lens. And now we good to go. I ain't gonna lie, just by me playing with the little time I have playing with this right here, already hands down, it smokes the Pocket 2. The Pocket 2 has such a little screen. This Pocket 3 has a bigger screen. It feels so much better. And yeah, so like I said, this is gonna be my nighttime rig when I'm running around the streets of New York, live streaming. And in total, with the accessories I bought, it came out to like $630. Yeah, $630, which is not bad. You know what I'm saying? It's not bad for what I got. It's not bad. It's not bad compared to what they charging out there. It's not bad, yo. Oh, nice. It came with the lens came with a cloth to clean it. That's pretty good. Alright, let me not let this dry, but it's a good cleaning cloth because now I can use it for this little screen right here. Boom, chillin'. Why the hell did you go in Chinese? Chill, fams. Alright, whatever. That was the unboxing of the Osmo Pocket 3. Be on the lookout. I might jump out the window and get the extra MUSE just to do a comparison and send that shit back to Amazon. But in the meantime, this is what we rocking with. Stay tuned for my review on this and the live streams. Subscribe if you care about live streams around New York City. If you're on Kick, Twitch, or YouTube, check me out. On Kick, Alex Escobar. On Twitch, Alex Escobar 215. And on YouTube, you're already here. Just hit subscribe and yeah, let's get activated. I will see you guys on the next one. Hope you like this. Rate, comment, subscribe. Peace. Alright, putting this last bit of footage in for this unboxing. It's been a few days. This one just came in the mail yesterday. It's literally the same thing I showed earlier in the video. It's the body cage with the magnet in the back, but this one's a little better. I don't even know what the brand is, but they had this one for like $7. But the main reason why I got it was because of this right here. The fact that it has the GoPro style holder in the back, which allows more security, especially with mounts that I have on right now. So yeah, just wanted to throw this little piece of footage in there. Also, everything you see here, I will have it linked down below. I don't even know how to open this thing. L, crazy L. It's bad enough this video is already dragging. Crazy L. We'll figure it out. But yeah, these latches is the only reason why I upgraded for this one. I don't even, like I said, it doesn't even have a brand name, but I'll put everything in the description down below. And yeah, hopefully this video helps anyone. Oh, here we go. Hold on, just want to put it on real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. Hold on, just up like this. Boom. Now it's on, chilling. So yeah, it has the same thing, magnetic mount. Like I said, GoPro style clamp up top. And yeah, like I said, it's gonna help out for those videos, those live streams where I'm out and about. You know what I'm saying? Doing my thing. So like I said, links down below. Use them. Good deals right now, Amazon. I don't know what's going on Amazon, but there's a shit ton of deals going on. Check it out. Peace.